We all know that today's world is one of connected manufacturing. Productivity is often boosted by effective access to your production data. Making use of all assets in the most effective way. With our 2-in-1 controller, you can integrate your production line data and IT with reliable connectivity. Complete line control and IoT interface in one. The NX1 includes accurate motion control, precise quality inspection and safety across all a line. Full real-time control of all automation cells increases your productivity. Sufficient memory available for variable data storage. The NX1 comes with OPC UA and SQL database connectivity. It makes your big data handling open, secure and reliable. Do it in our efficient way. NX1, the solution in your hand.